Hey math stars! Today we're going shopping with maths. Here's what we're covering. How to work out change. Counting up from a price to find the difference. Using Australian coins in real life. Let's go! Your wallet is ready. Imagine you want to buy something for $1.30. You only have a $2 coin. You give the $2 to the shopkeeper, but $1.30 is all they need. So they give you the difference back. That's called your change. Change equals what you paid minus what the item cost. Here's the trick. Instead of taking away, we count up. Start at the price, $1.30. Add 20 cents. That gets you to $1.50. Now add 50 cents more. That gets you all the way to $2. So your change is 20C plus 50C. That's 70 cents. The best way to practice change is to play shop. Grab some play money or even real coins. One person is the shopkeeper, one is the customer. Set a price, pay with more money, and work out the change together. Try it tonight. It's so much fun. Try it! Amazing work today. You can now count up to find change, just like a real shopkeeper. Download our free worksheet below to keep practicing. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe for a new maths lesson every week. See you